Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you're new to my channel, please one, subscribe, two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is how to multiply monomials by a given monomial. This is still for quarter 2, week 4, and this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing by Walt Disney. Okay, so we have now multiplication of monomials. Right? So, unlike the process of addition and subtraction, multiplication of monomials consider not only the numerical coefficients but also the literal coefficients. Some laws of exponents are important in multiplying monomials. For example, law 1, no? So we have the law 1 or the rules number 1 for any number a and any positive integers m and n, where a raised to m plus a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n. So this is the rule where we add the exponent. Okay. Next, so we have here a squared times a cube. So this is the exponential form, no? By factoring, that's it. Then we add 2 plus 3, that's 5. Okay, so we got the correct answer. Okay, next. We have 5x squared y z squared times 4x y cubed z squared. So we multiply the constants or the numerical coefficients, which is 5 and 4, and we add all the exponents, 2 plus 1, so and then we have 1 plus 3 and then 2 plus 2. Okay, so if we're going to write that in a final answer, so we got 20 x cubed y to the fourth and z to the fourth. All right, that's it. Next. Okay, so we have here more examples. Okay, so we have 2x cubed times 2x. So just like this, so we have here. Okay, so we add the exponent, so that will become 2x raised to 4. By simplifying, that's 2 times 2 times 2, and then x. So we got 16x squared. Next, we have quantity AB square times quantity AB raised to 5. So we add 2 plus 5, that is A raised to 7. Huh? Next, we have 2 cubed times 2 fifth. So 3 plus 5, that is 8. And then if we're going to simplify all this, the final answer is 256. Okay? So, if we remember na dapat they have the same base, no? Exponents that has no problem, but base should have the same. Okay, next. 2, 4 plus is 9. So 2 raised to 9 is 560. 500. Okay, so for num law number 2, for any number a and b and any positive integer m, we have quantity AB raised to M, then that's equals to A raised to M and B raised to M. So we distribute the exponents. Okay, so that's the rule, no? That's the rule for this second law. Example, we have AB or quantity AB cube. That means we have to distribute, that will become A cube and B cube. Then we have 3M square. Okay, so 3 square, M square, and N square. That is 9 M square, N square. Then we have here negative 5mn square, so negative, that means we need to multiply m twice, or yeah, then m squared, so we got 25 m square n square. So for law 3, for any number a and a positive integer m and n, okay, so we have here a raised to m, then it has an exponent outside also. That means we need to multiply. So a raised to m times n. For example, we have 3x cubed. It has an exponent 4. That means we need to multiply 3x cubed 4 times, like this. Then we separate, multiply the whole numbers 4 times. So we have 3 raised to 4, that is 81. And then we add all the exponents. That's why we have x raised to 12. Okay, so the final answer is 81x raised to 12. Okay, so for a cube, b square c with outside exponent cube, or 3, so we need to multiply the given 3 times, then add all the exponents in the same literal coefficient, so 3 plus 3 plus 3, and then we have b square, no, and then all c's. The final answer is a raised to 9, b raised to 6, and c cubed. So just add the exponents. And then here we negative 5x square, then it has also exponent outside square. That means we need to multiply that twice. So negative 5 times negative 5 is 25, and then add the exponent. That's why we got 25x to the 4th. Okay, let's have some more examples here. So we have 2 times 3 is equal to 6, a cubed, because 2 plus 1, and then b cubed, because 1 plus 2. Then 4 times 2 is equal to 8, x cubed, y square. Then negative 5 times 3 is negative 15, a, so we have 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, and b, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Right? Next, we have, let's find the products using the elusive exponent. 2x times 5x times 6x. So 2 times 5 is 10, times 6 is 60x cubed. Then we have 5 times negative 8. 5 times negative 8 is negative 40, times 2 is equals to negative 80 m cubed n cubed. Okay, that's it, the final answer. And for number 3, 5a cubed b raised to 6 and y raised to 5 times 8, a to the 4th b square y cubed. So 8 times 5 is equals to 40. Then for A, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then we have the next literal coefficient is 6, B I mean. So 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Then Y, for Y we have 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So the final answer is 40, A raised to 7, no? And then B raised to 8, and Y raised to 8. 8. Nagmukhang ano, nagmukhang 4, nagmukhang 4 yung 7. So that's it. Okay? Okay, so for questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, don't forget to like, share, don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. And 4, subscribe. All right. Okay, guys. I love to all the members and followers, especially to all the members right now. It's a New Year's, guys, and new hope, a new loving, and remember to love your family, and they are important. And also shout out to all my students, my co-teachers, and especially to our principal, Mr. Darwin Mayo. Thank you so much. I love you all.